Alright, give a listen here. I'm going to turn the steering wheel left and right, and you can kind of hear that noise a little bit more. Kind of has to do with the RPMs. Let me hit the static boost on the RPMs.